Hey guys, Vanessa here from Blush Wedding Photography. Okay, so I've decided to take you guys on a location scout to Mannum Waterfalls with my friend Cerise. I hope you enjoy this behind the scenes adventure and my first vlog. We are on our way, finally, in the car with Cerise.
It's very professional.
Anyway, we are off to Mannum Waterfalls and we are, yeah, it's going to be awesome. The weather is beautiful. It is super cold.
It's super cold but super sunny.
Is Cerise going to swim?
I'm hopeful.
So we just want to like check it out and see if it is a good like photo location, if it's even possible to get to, because you know in some cases like you don't want to be doing a photo shoot where you have to hike for like a We have arrived at Mannum Waterfall car park.
How cute is the bus?
So we've just begun the path and we found beautiful long reeds, big old trees. Yeah, just some really lovely stuff. 2 seconds in. The rock formations around Mannum Waterfalls are really beautiful.
Like, what do you think? That's like 10 feet tall?
Yeah.
12 feet tall?
Yeah, I reckon.
Oh, look at water.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, pretty.
Amazing, so we have actually made our way down and we have found some water. I don't know if you can see like over my shoulder, but yes. Oh, cool.
Oh, how beautiful and pinky red is the sand.
Yeah, this is stunning. Shooting on this babes today. Old filmy. Hi. It to the top, possibly. I don't know.
Now we go back down.
But look at these rocks. These falls, they're incredible. see, but this is like
Just like here.
wow. So we've made it up to the top and it is stunningly beautiful. I really do highly recommend this spot as a location for photos. Yeah, it's just magical. Massive granite boulders everywhere. And here we are, the waterfall. We did actually make it. Wow. Just want to get a little bit into shape. Oh. Hello. Hello, we're here. We made it. It won't be long.
Wow. Yeah, you could swim in this, I reckon.
Yeah. That's so deep. Oh my god, I want to come in.
Should we do it?
Like, I really think Cerise. Can't believe I dropped that. Look at this fierce warrior. She's doing it. Woo! Oh. Yes, girl. Woo! Breathe, breathe.
It's freezing, yeah. You'll feel so alive.
Woo! Get that breath.
Oh my goodness!
Woo! Go, Cerise.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Thanks for letting me in on this.
This is our newfound friend. What was your name?
A local friend.
Local.
Trish.
Trish. Oh, I'm Vanessa. That's Cerise.
Vanessa and Cerise.
Yeah.
Lovely to meet you. What a place to meet.
I know. There's Trish heading off back to the upper car park. Goodbye. Oops. My gimbal's run out of battery, as you can see. And this is the final place. The most amazing, seriously though, like stunningly beautiful waterhole that Cerise swam in and photo location. Okay, so we have finished the path and we've come out into the opening, and I would say that what would you say, like 10 minutes?
10 to 15 minutes max.
To get back?
Yeah.
But we would have, yeah, we've been here for like...
We've been here for about 3-4 hours.
Yeah. So yeah, but yeah, if you were just to walk up there and just to do shots, super easy, not that hard. I mean, you wouldn't want to be wearing like a big dress or like whatever, but you could pack that stuff and take it.
Definitely.
Yeah, we took some shots. It was good.
Yeah.
Cool. Beautiful. And that is it. Cute. We have decided to stop for a snack at Lovell's on the Murray. Alright, so I hope that you guys enjoyed that little journey up to Mannum Waterfall. Well, we certainly did, as you can see. It really was a pretty magical place. As I say, I definitely would recommend it for a photo shoot, an engagement shoot for your more adventurous couples, and I would recommend it as a fashion shoot location. I highly recommend it as just even as a day trip. Seriously, it's just so lovely. It took about an hour out of the Adelaide Hills. But if you do enjoy these videos, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you all next week.